In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free logo right here on Canva. It's actually really easy. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm in Canva. You can find this at canva.com. And what you need to do is sign up for one of their free accounts. Now, they do have a pro version that's available that costs a few dollars a month, but will unlock all sorts of really great options, including stock photography and all sorts of different options. So again, know that that is available. I'm going to show you the free version because it is incredibly robust, really easy to do. So this is our homepage. And what we want to do is come up and we want to choose a template. And I suggest starting with the template because it just makes things really easy, gives you some good ideas to work from. In fact, what we can do is we can just come down here and we're going to click on logo. Okay, and that is going to load our templates for our logo. Now this is going to make a nice square logo, but again, you can shift things up and change things based off of what you are looking to do. So what we can do is scroll through here. You can see there's a For You section, there's a hospital logo, doctor logo, church logo, event logo. So they're all kind of categorized for you to make things just a little bit easier. We actually have animated logos as well, which is really, really cool. So it gives you some really neat free options. So why don't we come down here and let's do the art design logo. I'm going to go ahead and click on See All. And then a number of different designs within this category will pop up. So we can scroll down and find something that we like. Maybe this one looks pretty good for us. What we can do is we can just click it, and as you can see, it will populate over into our area. Now at this point, we have full control over this design to change it, to adjust things, change colors, all sorts of things. So let me go ahead and double click in here on our text. And as you can see, you can come up here and change the various text to something maybe you like a little bit more, like maybe this one we could choose, and it will adjust the text based off of that font. We can then write in our specific logo. Let's do test logo. Let's come down here and let's have our subtitle just be for demo purpose. So as you can see, you can have your name of your brand and then maybe a subtitle of what your brand is about. We can come up here and we can actually change this little image here if we want to change it to something different. And delete it. This is actually just a square box that they put around there. We can delete that. And then maybe you want to come over here to your elements page. And there's all sorts of great free elements that you can bring in, shapes, images, those kind of things. So maybe we want, I don't know, let's do a $ here. And we can bring that in. And then we can adjust this. Maybe we want it a little bit smaller like that. Let's maybe put that right there. Maybe you want a picture in the background of your logo. What you can do then is come over to Photos, and there are going to be some free photo options that are in here that you can use, or you can actually come up here to Uploads and you can upload your own picture. Maybe you have something that you really like to use on your computer. You can do that by clicking the Uploads button, and then you can click on the Upload Media right here. Let's go back to Photos, and let's go ahead and choose something fun like, oh, I don't know, maybe this winter picture right here. You see I can bring it in and I can just stick it right there. And then obviously we can arrange this almost like Photoshop. So I'm going to come over here and I'm actually, now that we're clicked on this photo, I'm going to click on the position button and I'm just going to push it backwards. You can keep pushing it backwards so that all of your other logo stuff pops onto the front. So again, this is a really quick version to show you how easy it is to create logos. If you're just completely unhappy, you can always come back to your templates and you can look for something maybe that matches a little bit more for what you're looking for. And once you click on this, when you click on this one, you can see that it will automatically repopulate with a brand new logo template for you. That's it. Once you're done designing, you can come up here to the download button. And again, on the free version, you're limited to the PNG file. If you want it to be high quality, you can also do a small file and a JPEG. And once you've selected that, unfortunately, we're limited to our size. You also have this option of a transparent background, but that does come with the Pro version, meaning this will be your logo and everything in the background would be transparent. It's a really nice feature, but again, that only comes with the Pro version. Once you have everything matched up like you like, you can just click the download button and this will go into the downloads folder on your computer. Friends, I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe because we're making a bunch more Canva tutorial videos and those are coming out really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.